Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you on how to buy items from Amazon in Canada. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, make sure that you are logged in on your Amazon account and then find all the items you need for checkout. When you see the items that you want to add, simply click on this button right here which says Add to Cart. Once you're done in choosing all the items that you want, click on Proceed to Checkout. On the next page, you are simply going to fill up all the details needed for your next delivery, including your location and the payment method that you want to use. So, that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. So, see you in the next video. Bye!